Are you still using paper forms, spreadsheets, or cumbersome desktop applications for your field operations? Do you manually perform data collection and reporting activities like maintenance, work orders, audits, and safety? A manual process can result in erroneous data entry, erroneous reporting, waste of efforts, delays in customer service, and eventually, impact your customer relationship and the bottom line. Introducing Axonator Platform Services. Axonator Platform Services is a set of services provided by our highly trained professional team based on the award-winning Axonator platform. Axonator Platform allows our professional team to rapidly build mobile apps, automate workflows, and design reports and dashboards without coding. Our team has more than a decade of experience in automating field-based workflows for various industries like facility management, retail, aviation, manufacturing, and many more. Our professional team systematically works with your team to understand and solve your business challenges. We collect your paper forms and build mobile apps from scratch or starting from our ready reference apps to replace them with mobile apps. We analyze your current business processes and create automated workflows to reduce your manual work. We interview your key decision makers to understand your key performance indicators and build dashboards to provide you with a high-level overview of your operational performance, making your decision-making process data-driven. The mobile apps built using the Axonator platform are easy to use even for the blue-collar non-tech-savvy staff. You can capture pictures, signatures, and GPS location. Load a checklist using a QR code. Validation is applied to all the fields to make sure no data entry errors can happen. All your data is stored in one central place. We provide you with a web-based admin portal to view, export, and print data. Our team can set up your app in such a way that all your maintenance and other fieldwork is followed to the schedule. Get automatic alerts when checklists are not filled within time or totally missed. Axonator Platform Services transforms your organization from paper and manual processes to a fully digital organization within weeks while controlling your budget and timeline. Unlike other software, you get exactly what your business needs. No need to pay for the features you don't need. Our customers have experienced a significant reduction in manpower costs, customer service delays, and a clearly visible growth in their customer satisfaction, retention, and ultimately profits. Contact us today for a demo.